life is full of adventures.
Do you take this man to be your husband?
I do. Welcome home.
We did it. He has your eyes.
He's perfect.
Make the most of them all with PenFed checking and savings accounts. Learn more at PenFed.org. Federally insured by NCUA. To receive any advertised product, you must become a member of PenFed Credit Union.
PenFed's got great rates for everyone.
This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Today's discussion is the good, the bad, and the ugly. 5 stories that we're following today, and thank you for listening. So first, the good. The good is Oracle. Oracle is knocking it out of the park on increased expectations for its AI and cloud computing business. It's up almost 14% today, so that's the good. They're just literally knocking it out of the park and revised upward forecast. So that's what's going on. That's the good. The bad. The markets were dropping pre-market. Now they're back up based on a potentially slowing economy. Uncertainty regarding trade deals, a potentially slowing economy. They're back up this morning in the hopes for a rate cut as jobless numbers continue to escalate and continue to stay elevated. People without jobs continue to need jobless unemployment assistance. So some concern about just a slowing economy in general. That's part of the bad. Further part of the bad is that the lack of demand is driving the rates up for long-term U.S. bonds. This week, the 10-year rate hit nearly 5%. All eyes are on today's Treasury auction for a fresh read of whether huge deficits are going to cause investors to demand higher yields to buy the U.S. 30-year bonds. Fourth, and similar in this category of the bad, brilliant bond investor Jeff Gundlach says the U.S. Treasury market is in for a rude awakening. America's debt burden, interest expense have become untenable, a situation that may lead investors to move out of dollar-based assets. So that's the bad. The bad is concerns about jobless rates, lack of demand for U.S. bonds, Jeff Gundlach's comments on bonds. Finally, fifth, the ugly. The president sounds less confident on reaching a deal with Iran, and there's a tremendous amount of saber rattling going on between Iran, the U.S., and Israel. In fact, the U.S. just recently moved some of their ambassadors, envoys, or people out of Iraq and some other places due to concern about threats from Iran on terrorism and so forth. So that's the ugly. So you got the good, the bad, the ugly, the good, Oracle knocking out of the park. The bad, all kinds of concerns about increasing debt burdens on the country, and the ugly, potential escalation in the challenges with Iran. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Thank you very, very much.
PenFed Free Checking offers 0 fees and 0 balance requirements for 0 hassle. PenFed Access America Checking lets you earn money on your balance for dreams big and small. Choose the best account for you and start making the most of your money. Learn more at PenFed.org. Federally insured by NCUA. To receive any advertised product, you must become a member of PenFed Credit Union.
PenFed's got